Hi everyone, welcome you all. In today's video, we are going to see how we can capture screenshots and videos in Cypress, and which is very useful and very important feature. Now let's see how we can achieve this. So first of all, let us see about how we can capture the screenshot. And there are two things are there. So we can capture the screenshot manually. We can just write one command cy.screenshot, and that command will automatically capture the screenshot of the page or screenshot of the element. And that screenshots or those screenshots will be saved under the folder called screenshot. So they are default folder, which is already available in the folder structure. Now all the screenshots by default stored in this particular screenshot folder. And that is one way of capturing the screenshot. So we can capture the screenshot whenever we need. And the other way is, suppose when you run your test case or whenever the failure is happen. So then I want to capture the screenshot. And that is another way of capturing the screenshot. So there are two ways. One is we can capture the screenshot intentionally by just writing cy.screenshot command, and that will capture the screenshot and save the screenshot in the screenshot folder. Suppose if my test is got failed, and then I can take the screenshot, and that will automatically happens. So we no need to specify anything, like if something is got failed and capture the screenshot. We no need to specify any condition. So Cypress by default capture the screenshot whenever the failures are happened. But if you want to capture the screenshot intentionally, then you can write a command called cy.screenshot. Okay, so first look at about the screenshot, and then we will go and discuss about videos. So for that, I'm going to create a small test script here. I have already created one describe block and which contains one it block. And here I'm launching one application. Go to OpenGuard application, demo.openguard.com, take any application. Now I'm just visiting that application, cy.visit. And this is my application URL. So once you open this, now I want to capture the screenshot of this entire page. Simply what you can do is cy.screenshot. So this method you can directly call cy.screenshot. And here, if you leave this command like this, it will capture the screenshot, but it will give some random name. So if you want to provide the name to that particular screenshot, you can give some name here. I'll name it as, I can say homepage. Okay. So this is a screenshot name. So this will automatically capture the screenshot. And suppose I want to capture the screenshot of specific element or some, let's say I want to capture the logo screenshot of this element or some logo or something. So you can also still capture it. So let me inspect this element, the logo element, and go to the selector hub and get the locator of this. This is a locator, CSS locator, and go back. Now I want to capture the screenshot of the particular logo element. Simply say cy.screenshot. And here you can directly specify the locator also. Okay, so not like this. First of all, we need to capture the element cy.get. And this is the element. So this should be double quotations. And this is the actual element which we need to capture the screenshot. So once you get this element dot screenshot. So this command will automatically get the screenshot. I'll also give some name to this. I say logo. So now I'm taking the two screenshots. One is homepage screenshot and the other one is logo screenshot I am able to capture. So this is straightforward command is available. And this is, we have intentionally captured the screenshot. And by default, these two screenshots will be available inside the screenshot folder. Now, between these two, let's put some time, cy.wait. Let's wait for 5 seconds. And now let me try to execute the script and see whether it is able to generating the screenshot or not. Now save the file, open the terminal, run the Cypress command, npx Cypress open. And this command will open the Cypress window. And here select end-to-end testing, Chrome browser, and then. So now it is open all the spec files. Now I'm going to run this capture screenshots and videos. So now here, observe here, it is launching my page. Now it is scanning the entire page and reading and capturing the screenshot after 5 seconds. It will also capture the screenshot of the logo. Now it is successfully done. And where we can see the screenshots, we can see the screenshot inside the screenshots folder. If I just go back and open the screenshot folder, You can see here, this is my home page. This is my home page. And this is a logo element. Okay. So this is how we can capture the screenshot of the element. Intentionally, we can write cy dot screen capture. So this is a method you can directly write. Screenshot method you can directly write. Okay. And here we are capturing the entire page, and here we are capturing the specific element. Now, suppose I want to capture the screenshot only on the failures. So then how we can do this? And whenever my test is got failed, Cypress will automatically capture the screenshots, and we don't need to worry about it. But when it will capture the screenshots, so we have to run the test in the command prompt or by using any CI tool. And then only the screenshots will be automatically captured by the Cypress when the failures are happened. So normally how we are executing our test through the Cypress app we are executing, right? So instead of executing the Cypress app, instead of executing the test cases in the Cypress app from here, I want to execute my Cypress test in the terminal or in the command prompt or in the CLM mode. Then we will able to see the screenshots on failures. Okay, so let me just close the Cypress app. I'll tell you how we can run our test in the command prompt and kill the terminal and close it. Now what I will do is, so here I'm taking the screenshot intentionally, right? So let me comment this part for now. Okay, so now I'll show you how to capture the screenshot automatically when the failure is happened. So in Cypress, we have this option we have built-in option like automatically capture screenshot, and also video also we can automatically capture. But we cannot intentionally record the video, but as soon as you run your test through the command prompt or through the terminal, the video also will be automatically captured along with the screenshot. So automatically capture screenshot and video on failure. Okay, so I want to automatically capture the screenshot wherever that failure happened. I want to capture the screenshot of that, and also video, the complete test execution video I want to capture. And this should happen only when you execute through CLI. And execute through CLI. CLI in the sense it can be terminal or command prompt or by using any CI tool. So this will automatically happens. So now let's see how we can capture the screenshot and video on failures. So here I'm launching the page, and after that I just commented this code. So now I'm going to write one simple assertion which will fail. Okay, so I launch my page here at the beginning itself, cy.visit. After that, what I will do is I will just click on this camera options. Okay, let me just select this option camera, and this is the element. I just want to click on this element, cy.get. Okay, so let me do comment properly. Yeah. So now I'm writing some script which will fail so that we will get the screenshot as well as video. cy.get, and this is the element dot click. So I'm clicking on this element. This is basically what cameras, right? So when I click on this, where it will go? It will go to cameras page. Okay. But what I will do is I will put some negative exception. Actually, this is the message I'm expecting. Instead of doing this, I just want to expect something else. Let's say tablets is there. So that assertion should fail, right? So let me write assertion. Let's say I'm capturing the element of this, but I'm expecting a different text. Okay. So let me inspect this element, cameras. All right. So this is a element. So from this element, I say cy.get, and this is the element dot. And here I'm expecting it should have text. Okay, have dot text. What is the text should be here? It should be cameras actually. But what I'm expecting is I'm expecting tablets because I intentionally want to fail my test. So this will definitely fail my test. So as soon as you launch my application, I'm just clicking on the cameras and it should go to the cameras page. I'm verifying here the tablets are there or not, but this is a not right way to put, because this is a negative way we are validating, because I want to intentionally fail my assertion so that it will automatically get the screenshot and video. That's the reason I'm intentionally failing it. Okay. So now I have put these two commands. Now let us try to execute and see how it is going to capture the screenshot and video automatically. Okay. So let me save the file. And before that, we need to understand how we can run this code through the terminal. Because as I said, if you want to capture screenshot and video automatically, we have to run the test only through CLI command prompt. So there is a terminal which is already there, inbuilt terminal, or else you can just open the, if you are working on Windows, you can open the Windows command prompt, or if you're working on the Mac, open the terminal, external terminal, and you can just go to this location wherever your project is available. There you have to execute one command. So what is the command you have to execute is npx, normally which is the command we execute, npx Cypress open. So this will open the Cypress application from where, but instead of open, we use one more command called run. So this command will execute your test through the command prompt in the headless mode. npx Cypress run, and here we need to specify. So if you just leave this command like this, npx Cypress run, which will by default execute all the files, whatever test cases you created, all the JS files will be executed, which are available in the end-to-end folder. But I want to execute only specific spec file, capture screenshot and videos. So then we need to write one option called -spec, and here we need to specify the exact name of the file which we are going to execute. So this is a file I'm going to execute. Right click and copy the relative path and then paste it over here. This is my relative path of the file. Okay. So now you can see this is the location of your current project. Command is npx Cypress run -spec, and this is the location along with the name of the file. So when you run this, your Cypress will execute our test in the command prompt. And whenever the failure is happened, it will automatically capture the screenshot along with the videos. And video will be saved inside the videos folder. Screenshot will be saved inside the screenshot folder. Now let us run this command. Press enter. So now it is started execution. So basically it will run in the headless mode. So we can't see any execution on the browser level. Perfect. So now it is successfully executed. So as I said, we intentionally failed my test, right? So if I just look at this, run has got finished. And here, this has got failed. We have only one test inside the describe block, which is got failed, right? So if I just go back again, so we have executed only one test and one is got failed. And it is also captured the screenshot and videos, but where we can see the screenshot and videos. So if I just look at the screenshots folder, here, this is our screenshot folder. So this is a actually screenshot which is captured. Actually, we got the cameras page, but we are expecting tablets. So this, the entire screenshot will be captured. This is the actual screenshot which is captured on the failures. So this is where we test is got failed. Now, where is our recorded video? This is our recorded video. Under videos, click on this. So this is a recorded video. Now, how many seconds? It is almost recorded 6 seconds. Let me click on the run button here. Now it will show exact execution, the process of your test. Now, as soon as your test is got failed, and here it gets stopped and the recorded video is got stopped. Now I'm rerunning it. Perfect. Now it is executed and it's got stopped. So this is how the video also will be automatically recorded whenever the failure is got happened. Okay, so these two are the automatic options which are available. But when you get the screenshot and video on failures, only when you run your test through command prompt, not through Cypress app. It can be a terminal, or it can be external command prompt, or it can be any other CLI tools like Jenkins. So from wherever you run the test, you will automatically get the screenshots and videos on failures. But if you want to capture screenshot intentionally, you can just write this command. Okay, but video we will get only when you run this through command, only on the failures. Okay, so this is a very important concept, one of the most useful feature in Cypress, built-in feature, capturing screenshots and videos on failures. All right, so that's all this for this video. The next video we will see one more feature. Thanks for watching.